Hi, Rachel and Doug Swardstrom with the Swardstrom Group and Coldwell Banker at our latest listing at One Evening Breeze in the heart of Turtle Rock. And before we tell you about this condo, I'd love to tell you a little bit about the community. It's an award-winning Irvine University High School district. It's very close to UCI. It has an abundance of parks, pools, and so many green trees. You are gonna love this community.
And this particular home is absolutely gorgeous. It's on a premium, rare lot. It has plenty of natural sunlight coming in throughout the day. It's highly upgraded with high ceilings, luxury flooring, and a renovated kitchen. You need to check it out yourself.
If you'd like a tour, DM us. We'd love to give you a private tour.
Enjoy our video.